The next task for the jury in the Boston Marathon bombing trial, deciding whether Dzhokhar Tsarnaev should be sentenced to life in prison or death.
Western Massachusetts legal experts told 22 News reporter Caitlin Gosley how the defense might approach the sentencing phase of the trial.
Well, what's a bigger punishment, to die or to suffer for the next 60 years?
A question the same jury that named Dzhokhar Tsarnaev guilty on all 30 counts for his role in the Boston Marathon bombing will now have to decide.
While there's no death penalty in the state of Massachusetts, cases like this one that are tried at the federal level allow prosecutors to seek punishment by death.
It's expected the defense will build their case for a life in prison sentence by playing to the jury's emotions. Justin Dion, a law professor for Bay Path University, told 22 News having no death penalty in Massachusetts could play into the defense's favor.
A majority of residents are opposed to the death penalty. Frankly, that's why the jury selection took so long, is they had to find folks who were impartial about it, who maybe weren't in favor of the death penalty but also weren't opposed to implementing it.
But he added that because Tsarnaev was convicted on such serious terrorist charges, the defense may have an uphill battle convincing the jury to spare his life. Dion also told 22 News it's likely the defense will build their case by talking a lot about Tsarnaev's childhood and use words like brainwashed, arguing that his older brother Tamerlan was the leader of the Boston Marathon bombing plans and that Dzhokhar was just along for the ride. The penalty phase of this trial could begin as early as next week. In Springfield, Caitlin Gosley, 22 News.